Now, welcome to this Onshape video where we're going to make a little pencil holder that we might make in junior cycle wood technology. So you might be familiar with having made something like this in wood technology. Right, so we're going to go to create, document, we're going to name it there and open. Now, we're going to start here by going sketch, and then we're going to select the right plane here. So the right plane down here, we're going to hit that. Then we're going to go up to the cube. I'm going to select the right plane here. Now, we're going to go up to polygon. So it's up, the tool is up here. And we're going to left click out here, move our mouse out and left click again. Now, it's going to ask for number side, so we'll leave it on 6. We're going to go D for dimension. We're going to left click an edge. So I'm just highlighting the top edge. Left click it, move the mouse up, then click the number. I'm going to type in 20 mm. Now, we're going to left click the center of the hexagon and left click this right plane here. We're going to move our mouse down. I'm going to type in 50. And then we're going to left click the base, left click up here, and we're going to type in 50 as well and enter. Then we're going to go up to our shift and E, or shift and extrude. So this one up here, or that button, you can press the the commands shift and the letter E, and then it brings us into extrude. So we're going to type in, right, 150. I'm going to click OK. Now, so some of the pencil body done. Right, now we're going to put a point on the pencil. So we're going to go up to this command, okay, called plane. So it's up here. Or you can always type in, if you're looking for it, you can type in the name plane. So I'm going to select down here in the second bar, I'm going to go offset. I'm going to type in 50, click enter. I'm going to select this face here and press OK. Right, now I'm going to go to sketch. So I'm up here at sketch. I'm going to select my plane 1. I'm going to go to the right plane. I'm going to go sketch point here. So point here. Now, so I'm going to grab the center here. And now it's proven difficult to find. So I can move my mouse over here and right click on sketch 1 and press show. Now if I can drag the point there. I'm just going to zoom in. So if I hold down left click, I'm trying to get these there to snap on. But it's proven difficult to get it to snap on. So I could left click and left click that and press the letter I. And then they snap on together. So that made them coincident. So that button there. Now I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to go to this loft tool, which is up here. So I'm going to select loft. I'm going to go add. I'm going to click the face and the point here, vertex of sketch 2. And I'm going to click OK. So that's the tip of our pencil. Now we're going to put the holes in for the pencils. So I'm going to go up to Sketch. So we're up there at Sketch. I'm going to select the top face. And I'm going to hit the top of the cube here. I'm going to press L for line and Q to turn it into a light line. So I'm going to left click, move the mouse over to the right. I can press C for circle. So I'm going to draw 1, and I can turn off Q there. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, if you want to put in more pencils, that's no problem at all. You can do. Okay, so you can put in more holes if you want. Now, if that one's still in construction, you can left click it and press Q. Now, size of these holes we'll add in. So D for dimension. I'm going to give this one the size of 6. This one the size of 10. This one the size of 8. Really, the size of the hole depends on the size of the pencil. Okay, this one the size of 14. 6. So you can choose these sizes yourself, whatever you want to put them in. Now we're going to dimension these, so I'm going to left click side here. I'm going to dimension that 25, and this is 20. So the dimension tool is still on. So I click the point and that point of the circle. So you're clicking between the points of the circles, you move your mouse up and change the number then. So I change that one to 15. Well, I'm actually going to go back there. There's no point in going to change that back to 20. Now, we're going to go and cut those holes out. So I'm going to go to extrude up here. You can press shift and the letter E on your mouse or your keyboard and bring your mouse up to it. Now, we're going to change this to remove. So it's going down. Now if you brought the arrow down, it'll bring them the whole way through. But we're not going to do that because then it'll just fall all the way through. So we're going to leave this at 20. And we're going to click OK. So we have the holes cut out. And now we're going to drill the holes for our dowels and put in our dowels. And then we'll do our base. So I'm going to go up to Sketch. I'm going to rotate the model around and select the bottom face. So the one directly underneath the holes. I'm going to press the underside of the cube there. I'm going to press L for line, Q for construction line. I'm going to draw a line from left to right. Now I'm going to press the letter C for circle, or you can hit the command up here. So I'm going to draw in the circle, and I can press Q to stop or turn off Q for it to stop it being a light line. Now I'm going to go D for dimension. I'm going to type in 10 for the circle, and we'll give this a distance from the side. So I'm going to left click the circle and the bottom. I'm going to type in 15. And then over here, I'm going to do the same, 15. And then we can give the size of the circle 10, or another way you could do it is if I deleted that dimension, I could left click this circle, left click the circle on the left and press E for equals. So if you change this dimension that one on the right goes up accordingly. Now, we're going to press, okay, Shift and the letter E, or we're going to go up to extrude. We're going to select remove. We're going to type in 10. Okay, and then we're going to click OK. And there the holes for the dowels are done. Now we're going to do our base. Right, so we're going to go sketch, select the top plane, we're going to hit the top cube. Now we're going to press L for line and Q for light line, and we're going to go all the way. It's struggling to snap on, but we're going to draw a line from left to right. Okay, now I want to get this to snap into the middle. So I'm going to press or left click that point of the line and left click this one and press the letter I. And there it's gone. Now I'm going to go up to the rectangle tool. I'm going to hit the drop down arrow and I'm going to go center point rectangle. Now I'm going to move my mouse along this line here and wait until we see this little square popping up. So you see the little orange square there that popped up. You can see it there. So that's what we're waiting to get. Now when we get that, we left click and we're going to move the mouse outwards. Now we're going to press D for dimension. We're going to type in 220 and then we're going to click the left hand side and we're going to type in 44. We'll see what happens here with 44. Yeah, that's all right, 44. Right. Then we're going to press Shift and the letter E and we're going to type in 20 millimeters and click OK. Now this will be our base. Now we have to connect these together. So I'm going to press Sketch, select the top face, top, and then I'm going to go to this button here and go down to shaded with edges, hidden edges removed. So if I go to here and go hidden edges visible. Now these two grey circles here represent the circles on the bottom. Okay, or that we cut out on the underside of the pencil. I'm going to go circle. I'm going to draw a circle here and draw a circle here. Now I can click the circle and click this one and we're going to go up to here. Hit the drop down arrow, concentric, and I'll do the same with this. I'm going to say concentric, concentric, and then I'm going to click these two, left click them and press E for equals, E for equals. Now I'm going to go shift in the letter E, I'm going to go remove, and we're going to type in 10 and press enter. Now you can see that that's all the hidden detail. Now we're going to rotate our mouse around. I'm going to go sketch, select this face, then we're going to go to this button here, use project curve. Now I can left click the inside, and then we have the circles for the dowel. We can press shift and E, and we're going to go to new, and we're going to rotate it about We're just going to zoom it now until we can see that face there. And we're going to change it to up to face and left click there. And then we're going to press OK. Now, I can go over to here and untick hidden edges visible. There we have our dows. Now, we're going to add in some color now in a moment. So we can just hide sketch 1, right click and press hide. Now I'm going to go to chamfer, type in 10 millimeters, and we're going to left click these edges here, left click them, and then tick OK. And now if we want to change the colors, we can go over to appearance panel, go to our add face, and we can give all these faces the color. So you left click all the faces. There I have them done, and then I could choose, we can do these again. I think we're at the yellow to the inside. You can do them different colors if you want. Enter, and we can do our bottom one. We can do it a different color. And click OK. And then obviously I missed them too. So if you want to continue a particular color and you missed it, you can just double click on where the selections are and add more to them. There we go. So that was fun. I forgot to do the bottom there. Oh, I think that's definitely the wrong one. It was this color. Now, there we go. Thank you.